What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to find the molar mass or molecular weight for ammonium chloride. So ammonium chloride NH4Cl. So I need to find atomic mass for all these elements. N is 14.007. Hydrogen is 1.008. Chlorine is 35.45. So that's going to be times 1 because you have 1, 4, and 1. So it's going to be 14.007. This one is going to be 4.032. And here we have 35.45. So then I add them together. So it's going to be 14.007 plus 4.032 plus 35.45. So that makes it 53.489. And that's the unit is gram per mole. So 53.489 grams per mole is the molar mass or molecular weight of ammonium chloride. I hope you like watching this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.